How to use your ID code on Invincible. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to use an ID code in Invincible game, then first of all launch the game open on your mobile device or your tablets, and once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the Friends tab at the right hand corner and you'll be able to see your ID code at the top right corner. Click the share button right next to your ID code and then you can go ahead and click on the copy button to copy your link, and once you do that, you can go ahead and open up any social messaging apps or any platform and choose a friend and paste in your ID code inside your conversation thread. So, if you want to invite players to your team or alliance, then you can share your invite code or your ID code. Whenever a friend searches for your account, they'll need to paste in your code in the text box and they'll be able to send you the friend request. So that is how you use your ID code or find your ID code on the Invincible game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.